In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependencies on Asana. 5 minutes. Dependencies in Asana help you show the order of work, so everyone knows which tasks must finish before others can start. Let's walk through how to set them up clearly and confidently. Start by opening Asana in your browser and signing in. Enter your email address, click Continue, then type your password and log in. If your workspace uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, follow the prompts you normally use. Once you land on your Asana homepage, you're ready to jump into the right project. Open the project that contains the tasks you want to connect. The list view is a great place to start because it makes it easy to spot and open the task you want. Click the task to open its details pane on the right. This is where you manage everything about that task, including its dependencies. In the task details, look for the option to add dependencies and click it. You now have two ways to connect the work. You can select a task from the suggestions that appear, which is handy if you see the right one immediately. Or you can type to search. As you type, Asana will pull up matching tasks you have access to across your workspace. Type the name of the task that must be completed before the current task can begin. This is the upstream work that gates your progress. When you see the correct task, select it. Next, choose the dependency type. If the current task cannot proceed until the other task is done, choose Blocked By. This means your task is waiting on that work. If, instead, the current task needs to be finished so another task can start, choose Blocking. This marks your task as the prerequisite for the downstream task. Picking the correct direction keeps schedules accurate and helps teammates understand who is waiting on whom. Once added, Asana shows the dependency in the task details, and collaborators may receive notifications. If your project uses timeline or Gantt views, you'll see these relationships visually, which makes planning and rescheduling easier. After linking tasks, take a moment to confirm due dates make sense with the new order of work. Adjust dates if needed so the blocked task is due after its prerequisites. That's it. You've opened your project, selected a task, added a dependency by searching or selecting, and chosen the right relationship type. With dependencies in place, your project updates stay clear, workloads remain realistic, and your team can focus on what needs to happen next.